Down a long time before I came up. We ain't got the same grind, you won't be famous. Get your cake up. 450, Kawasaki, Yamaha, ride around, bitch, we mobbing. 12 o'clock on the dot, Papa stop it. Niggas envy, wanna be like us, you know they jacking. Hey, pockets was just empty, now they stuck, don't need no wallet. She say if I do a trick, she get that puss up like college. She got high mileage. And if I ain't stepping off in the function, I might ride by it. Walk down on a nigga, I can't do no drive-by. I'ma fuck on that little bitch like I love her, but I don't love her. I was gon' nut up in it too, they took the plan B's off the shelf. So I pulled out and painted on her face just like a sketch. Pop a perk just to last in that pussy, got me itching on my neck. I'm a bad man. She ain't wanna give it up, I chose the wrong friend. Shout out to my nigga Weezo from the back end. Baby mama call my phone with all that. What up, YouTube? Camo 2SS here. We back with another video after a long time. As you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, we going to New Orleans today. Riding bikes, pulling bikes out. It's gonna be like 5 deep, 2 250s, 2 450s. Raptor 700. Right now we on the way to the shop. We're on the way to the shop to load the bikes up. And shit, we're gonna head out. Gotta make a beat stop. A beat stop. This on the slide. I wore this already. I put it back on, hop on that bike. This is my KX450 2022. This is my partner 2023 YZ 250F Monster Edition. I'm gonna load these up on the truck, head to the shop, pick up the rest of the boys. I just slapped this exhaust on here yesterday, 2 days ago. Sound good, yeah, let's start up. Truck, I wanted to get hot. But yeah, we finna load these up, put them on the truck, go pick the boys up so we can hit that road. No, they. How did I... Yeah. Boy, fresh.
Gotta give me a new tire. Check him out.
Everybody can get back out.
You see? That be bad.
The four-wheeler couldn't come because we couldn't get the right hitch, man. We need a 3-inch. Them bitches hard to find.
Oh, man.
Nah, it was the way it sounded when you strapped in the helmet.
Shit, I'm ready, man.
You loaded up,
Yeah,
man.
it's been too long. I'm overdue for that.
Four of them bitches on the back it out.
We all suited and booted.
Look, check him out.
Before we even hit that bit, we ain't even in that city yet.
You hear me?
We ain't gonna do
You
that,
heard
bro.
me? And we fresh as a bitch. Shit crazy. Yeah, you see it. Yeah, you see it.
He put the gloves on. His new ass.
What you the new hoe?
Yeah.
Stupid ass
I hear
Lee up there, Lee.
We just touched down. We finna drop. We got the quad out. Get back with y'all when we drop. About to hit the streets. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
Chase yourself. Mission pass.
We wrapping up, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. Y'all gonna be seeing a whole lot more of these videos.